guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer and I post beauty and fashion videos. So if you like that type of content, definitely hit that big red subscribe button down below. But for today's video, I wanted to do a comparison video on the K18 and Living Proof's new Triple Bond Complex, because on the surface they look very similar, but they are actually quite different. And I know as these hair care brands come out with bond repair products, it can get very overwhelming. They all claim to be the best, they all claim to do certain things, but a lot of the time they're very similar. And I thought it would be helpful for you guys that are not in the beauty industry to see a comparison video on these two products. So here we are today. So if you want to see the difference and similarities between the new Living Proof Triple Bond Complex and K18, then keep on watching. So I went to Ulta a few weeks ago and I picked up this small version of Living Proof's new Triple Bond Complex because I wanted to try it before I commit to the full size, because it is a little bit on the pricey side. So this is what the travel size looks like. I will admit it's a little smaller than I thought, but here is the packaging, and I think it came to around $20 or $25, something like that. So very, very tiny. It's only a ½ ounce. So let's start off with what this product is supposed to do. This is a product that is supposed to repair hair damage and help strengthen the hair against future damage as far as styling, color services, thermal styling, everything like that. And they recommend that you shampoo and condition your hair, and then when you come out of the shower, you apply this first before your detanglers, any other product. You put a little bit of this in your hair, and of course the amount you put is going to depend on how thick your hair is and how long your hair is. So you apply this to damp hair, you let it wait 10 minutes, and then you can go ahead and apply all of your other styling products and just blow dry and style as normal. This product also contains lipids and peptides, which is going to nourish the hair. It's also going to protect the hair against thermal styling, UVA, UVB rays, and it's also going to protect your color against fading, which is really important because nobody likes their color to fade faster than their next hair appointment. It's also going to smooth, soften, and add shine to the hair, which is always a plus. Typically when your hair is very damaged, it feels like straw. It looks like straw. There is no shine. Damage literally sucks the life out of your hair. So let's touch on the science side of it just really briefly. I'm going to try and make this as simple and easy to understand as possible. So let's touch on the science side of it just a little bit. I'm going to try and explain this as easy to understand as possible, because I know not all of you out there are hairstylists or that work in a salon, but this product right here is set to repair the 3 different bonds that are in your hair, and that is hydrogen, ionic, and covalent. And all 3 of those bonds are located in the cortex level of the hair. So when you look at a diagram of a piece of hair, it's about the 2nd level down, and I will show you an image in a little bit. So this product right here is really designed to repair those 3 bonds, and it also helps to seal the cuticle. So let's talk about K18, and I'm going to insert a photo here on the screen. I totally forgot my bottle when I left the salon on Saturday, so I don't have it on me right at this moment. But if you see the photo on the screen, this is their mask, and this is the only treatment product you can purchase as the general public. They also have 2 shampoos, but as far as treatment products, this is the only one available to the public. They do have a spray, but that is professional only. So K18 is a true reparative product. K18 is designed to repair even the most damaged hair in as little as 4 minutes. And if you want to see a super in-depth video on K18. I do have that on my channel. I will list it in the description box for you guys. But just to kind of go over the general idea of K18. So K18, like I said, is a treatment product, and this product actually penetrates all the way down deep into the polypeptide level, which is the deepest level in your hair. And when you go to use this product, you want to shampoo the hair. Do not condition it. Do not condition it. You don't put conditioner in it. The K18 is going to act as your conditioner, your treatment, and your detangler. It's like a miracle worker. So shampoo your hair, get out of the shower, and you're going to apply around 1 pump of K18. Apply it to your damp hair, and you have to let it sit for 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes, you can go ahead and apply your usual styling products and style as normal. K18 will definitely give you a lot more shine. It will soften the hair. It'll help smooth the hair. But I think if you have very damaged hair, you're going to notice how healthy your hair feels. And that is because it is penetrating deep into those layers of the hair to truly rebuild the hair. So now I want to quickly touch on the differences of the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex and K18, because on the surface, they kind of look the same. They are both designed to repair the hair, but they're actually quite different, and I'll explain. So first difference, and it comes to how you use it. The Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, that one you can use conditioner, whereas the K18, they don't recommend it because the conditioner will actually leave a barrier on your hair, and it makes it harder for the product to penetrate. Now, as far as wait time, K18 is 4 minutes, Living Proof is 10 minutes. That is a huge difference. And for me personally, the 10-minute wait time is a little tough, only because within 10 minutes, my hair starts to dry, especially in the front. And usually I like to apply a styling product to really control the curl and the frizz that I get on those front sections. And I don't necessarily like applying products after my hair has already dried. So that one is kind of like an for me. So now I want to compare it on more of a chemistry level, and I'm going to insert a little diagram or picture because I just want to share it with you, but I'm going to look at the same picture on my phone. So if you can see at the top, there is the yellow section, that is the cuticle, and the next section down, which is lime green, is the cortex level. Remember, the cortex level is the level that has those 3 bonds, hydrogen, ionic, and covalent. And that is where the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex goes to repair those bonds. So essentially, Living Proof's product only penetrates to the cortex level. Now, if you look all the way down to the very, very bottom, you'll see a hot pink section. That is the polypeptide chain level, and that is the deepest level in your hair. And that is actually where the K18 molecular mask goes. So you can just see from this diagram that K18 is going to penetrate the hair a lot further and deeper than the Living Proof one. Now, is that a bad thing? No, it's not. They're just different products, and they repair the hair on different levels. So if you are somebody that has severely damaged hair, either from bleach, from coloring it too much, too many hot tools, if it's over processed, super dry, I mean, you guys know what severely damaged hair looks like. You are going to want to go with the K18 because it's going to penetrate your hair on a deeper level and really work to repair the hair a lot quicker and a lot better, in my opinion. Now, if you are somebody that is looking to repair your hair and strengthen your hair because you have a little damage from just coloring it, maybe from hot tools, like I'm definitely a hot tool candidate, then the Living Proof one would be amazing for you. So you're probably wondering, well, if I have severely damaged hair, can I use the Living Proof one? Of course you can, and vice versa. But I think if you're somebody that has severely damaged hair and you're looking to repair your hair quickly and get it back to a healthy state, you're gonna see much better results and quicker results from K18. Now, I love both products equally, but I love them for very different reasons. To me, the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex is more of a hair strengthener, and it even says hair strengthener on the tube, whereas the K18 is more of a true reparative treatment product. So I think it all comes down to your hair type and your desired hair goals. If you're looking for a maintenance product, I would say the Living Proof would be great for you, but if you're looking for true reparative properties to get your hair back healthy, K18 is definitely the one for you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope I made it easy to understand for you guys. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.